Hello, I'm Hannah Bausch, a fourth year working in Steve Jacobson's mineral physics lab. I study how minerals behave at conditions present deep within the earth so that we can gain a better understanding of the makeup and physics of the different areas within it. I'm mainly interested in ferropericlase, or MgFeO, along the core mantle boundary, which is about 2,600 kilometers deep beneath our feet. Ferropericlase at these conditions is important because there are unexplained velocity changes along the core mantle boundary, which may be explained by increased iron content in ferropericlase. Through both experiment and calculations, as we'll see today, I am studying ferropericlase's equation of state so that we can better understand its physical properties at depth. In order to study ferropericlase computationally, I am using a modeling method known as density functional theory, or colloquially known as DFT. DFT simplifies the calculations for studying atomic structures by using atoms' electron cloud density rather than the entire Schrodinger equation, which is way too complicated for computers to compute. Currently, I am working on determining the equation of state for ferropericlase with varying amounts of iron. Here I have an example of a preliminary equation of state calculation of ferropericlase with 12.5% iron on a 64 atom cell at 1000 Kelvin. I perform 7 calculations indicated by the blue circles at different volumes. Volume here is more or less pressure. The y-axis shows the energy of each volume relative to others. The lower the energy, the more stable ferropericlase is. Therefore, from this calculation, this cell is most stable around 600 angstroms. An important part of understanding ferropericlase at depth is knowing where it has phase transitions. As ferropericlase increases in pressure, it changes from form in order to accommodate being more tightly packed together. In some preliminary calculations that I've done, ferropericlase undergoes a series of phase transitions at high pressure. An electron spin transition at 50 GPa, top left, and a B1, B2 phase transition at 650 GPa, which is in the bottom left. You can see the phase transition where the red line intersects the black horizontal line. Importantly, for me, the 50 GPa transition has been observed experimentally, so that means I'm confident that the preliminary calculations are sound so far. In the coming months, I look forward to completing more DFT calculations in order to examine these phase transitions further.